Welcome to MonetizeMore. Now, we take a tour to our PubGuru Dashboard. All the data here are not actual data and are for tutorial purposes only. Let's talk about the primary sections. In the right-hand corner, we have the Gift tab. Contains all the latest updates and new dashboard features. Next is the Language tab. You can actually set it to Portuguese, Spanish, or English. Next is the Profile tab, which contains profile settings where you can log in your name and your email address. The Payment settings, where you can log information about your bank or any account as to where the payout would go to. The API tokens, if in case you want to connect PubGuru to your own tool, and PubGuru University, where you can learn more about different courses for ad optimization. In the left-hand corner, we have the publisher and the domains. The publisher here can be your company or your domain name if you have only one site. If you have multiple sites, you can actually isolate data per domain. We also have the Dashboard tab, which contains the summary card, which shows you a quick glance of the performance of your website for today, yesterday, 7 days, and the last 30 days. If you click on View All, you can see all the data for all time range. Next is the top performing ad network card, the top performing ad unit card, and the largest discrepancy card. This explains the discrepancy between Google Ad Manager versus the actual data from the different ad networks. 10 to 20% discrepancy is acceptable. Your ad optimizer closely monitors this and takes corrective action in case the discrepancy is beyond the threshold. Next is the Smart Notifications tab. This delivers relevant notification custom to your website. It has critical notifications that needs immediate action as it is revenue impacting. We also have errors notifications that do not need immediate action but needs to be addressed, and opportunities, notifications that are opportunities for improvement for the performance of your website. When you click it further, it will show you more information about the notification, when it happened, the instances of how many times it happened, and if you click it further, you can click Optimize Now and will give you insights on how to fix the issue. We also have Analytics Report. Analytics Report contains PubGuru Analytics, Google Analytics data, and Ad Manager data for comparison. We also have the Ad Exchange Report. These are data directly from Ad Exchange. And the Ad Network Report. Ad network reports are unified reporting which helps you track revenue, discrepancy, and other essential metrics across all multiple ad networks running on your website. For more in-depth walkthrough of our PubGuru Dashboard, please reach out to us. We can have a quick call at your convenience. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.